guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make DIY custom lashes like these ones, so let's just jump right in. So first you'll need some lashes. I usually use ones from the dollar store. Most of these ones I got for 50 cents on clearance at Walmart. You'll also need some glitter if you want to add some sparkle to it, and I also have some small neon studs. And for almost all of my lashes I use a sheet of black construction paper, and these bows that I get from the dollar store, they are curling ribbon, so they will curl up like a regular lash. And to attach everything you'll need an eye safe glue. I just use Duo eyelash glue and a pair of scissors to cut everything up. Normally I use brow trimming scissors, but I couldn't find mine this day, so I just use a small pair of scissors. Start by cutting up small strips of the bow and a 1-inch strip of the black construction paper. Now to make the eyelash shapes, I cut along the shorter side of the construction paper at an angle to create a little bit of a triangle shape, and not all of them will turn out perfect. That's fine. I just throw out the bigger, chunkier ones unless I can trim them down, and then repeat the process on all of your colored ribbon. I normally like to have at least 6 to 8 pieces per eyelash just to make sure I have enough to cover the band, but you can make as many or as few pieces as you need. Take the pair of lashes you want to add to, open them up, and I like to take a little spoolie brush and just fluff them out a little bit. Usually the more inexpensive lashes are a little bit more stuck together and a little bit more cheap looking, so I usually fluff them out a little bit before taking either a metal tool or a pair of scissors to curl all of the lash extension pieces into a more natural shape. The construction paper pieces are a little bit different. You don't want to use a pair of scissors or anything sharp with those or it will fray the paper, so I just use a round metal tool and just curl and shape it with my fingers. Now on these lashes you can tell where the outsides are. They're a little bit longer than the inside, so I'm going to put the longest lash extensions towards the outside parts and keep them a little bit shorter on the inside, but you can also do more volume in the center with the shortest pieces on the insides and outsides, but this one I wanted to fan out on the outsides. And then just add your pieces wherever you would like them. I went with a pattern of pink, orange, yellow, orange, pink, and then I decided it wasn't enough volume, so I added the colors that weren't next to each other in the middle. So between the pink and orange I added yellow, between the orange and yellow I added pink, and so on and so forth. Just keep adding to where you need more volume. Then when I was done with the pattern, I added iridescent pieces randomly throughout the lash and then finished with the black pieces over top to blend the band in. Now for most of my lashes I like to cover the actual band, so I use little studs or different shaped gems. I follow the same color pattern just along the lash line. Now you want to make sure these sit flush with the actual lash band or a little bit away. I usually do about 1 millimeter away from the lash band so it's not uncomfortable to wear. Because the pattern would have ended in a weird spot, I just added glitter to the inside corner with some lash glue and some eye safe glitter. And this is my DIY custom pair of neon eyelashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little tutorial. If you want to see me make any more eyelashes, I'd be happy to make them for you. Just let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like to see any of my social media, they are all linked down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to get notified for when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.